Hi guys, welcome back to Unboxer TV. This is Adnaan Ahmed. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So today's video is how to block background data for specific apps. So guys, make sure when you are using internet related apps, you just can't stop the restricted background internet access for those apps. So guys, in this video I'll show you how to block these. So guys, let's get started. So guys, first you will have to open your settings, go to settings, and in this go to the top and select data usage or something like data connectivity in your device, and you will get app list over here, or you can go to overview or Vodafone, or your SIM name will be there. So just go down and select your app and to whom you want to block the data usage. Suppose if I would like to block data usage for WhatsApp, just go over here, go down and select restrict app background data, disable background data on cellular networks. Just on that restrict background data. This feature may cause an app that depends on background data to stop working when only cellular networks are available. You can find more appropriate data usage controls in the settings available within the app. Click OK, and now the restrict app background data is enabled. To disable this, just simply visit the same your SIM name and restrict app background data and click off. Then it will just disable the restriction of the background app data. So now you can just easily access your WhatsApp or some other application that uses your internet. So guys, that's it in this video. If you like this, make sure to hit the like button below, and if you don't like it, please dislike it. And thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Till then, please subscribe and hit the bell notification to make sure you have enabled the notifications for our channel. Thank you. Meet you in the next one.